got 1, 2, 3, 4 orange. And this is what we're gonna do. Get the one with the seed. So what you wanna do, come right here and do this. And the seed, all right? Yeah? And I'm using the one them, which also have the seeds in it. So that was one even more healthier. So guys, you need to buy one of these and have it at home. Sometimes you don't want to blend it. You just want to straight, you want to just do it like this. So you see it for yourself, guys. So this is healthy and delicious and nice. So I'm just gonna simple pour it in like this. And that's the amount of juice I get. You can see it for yourself. Nice, lovely, and healthy. And this is the straight vitamin D you're getting when you do it this kind of way. More healthier, more than you go